Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic name is counting and sequence, grade 4, Cambridge course. So I'm talking about page number 13, exercise 1.1. So here today my first topic that we discuss in the class, that is counting. First, you have to know the main thing, that is count on. Count on means add plus sum. Okay. So if you want to add this number, any number, so we have to say count on. And count back, it's mean minus. Okay. So let's do first example. He said here, Maya count on in steps of 100. She start at 964. So 46. So we have to add, because it's a count on, plus 100 steps. So what is the final answer? That will be 1046. That is my final answer. But here he said here count back. So let's suppose I have 1048 steps from where we start. But he said count back. We are moving backwards. So it means we are doing minus. So we have to do minus 100 step backwards. So that will be equal to 948. That is my final answer. So C part, D part, and E part all are as it is same, and we already discussed everything in the class. Now come to the next topic. So here we have my next topic, that will be here. So you see this one, it's a question number 2. So we just have to add 2 on all these numbers. Let's suppose 1 plus 2, that is 3, 3 plus 2, that is 5, 5 plus 2, that is 7, like this. Okay. Same thing is here, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So let's suppose I'm talking about last number. So 9 plus 2. Okay. If I am going down, 9 plus 2, that is 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. So you have to add 2 on all these numbers and to get a next number. Okay. So the last number will be 17. We already discussed in this class, in our class today. So I already sent you all these things in a diagram. So all these things, all topics should be same. Now question number 3. Here he said here, what are the similar thing and what are the difference? Difference yani in Arabic, or yani change. So what is change and what is the same thing? In these two, if I am compared with these two, so what is the similar thing? Similar is only one thing, that is 2 and 2. You have to see here 2, and this one is also 2. So we say the first term of these two sequence is same. But if we compare with the third one, it's not similar. Okay. So it will start from 3, but other two are start from 2. But if you compare with another thing, okay. So if I want to get a new number, so 2 plus 2, so we have to add always 2 to get the new number. But in this case, we have to add 3. Okay. We call it, this is term to term. And here we also add 2. So if we compare with these two things, what are the same thing? So we say term to term rule are same in these two things as compared to the middle one. So it's we already wrote in the class and I already submitted the class. Same thing is here. Which could be the odd one out? Means odd one out means different. Okay, looking different. Like 13 plus 3, 16. Okay, 8 plus 3, 11. Minus 5 plus 3, minus 2, then 1. So 9 plus 2, 9 plus 3, that is 12, same as it is. 16 plus 3, 19. So which one looking odd? Odd one, yani, we have to tell them, yani, that is very different than all others answers. So what we have to say? We have to say here, simple word, there is no unique answer, but possible answer will be that minus 5, minus 2, that is only that we have a negative number, so that's why we say. Okay. Rest of all, it's same. And you also say 9, 12, 15, 18, it's a multiple of, it's a table of 3. So it's a possibility. Either you say minus 5, minus 2, it's up to you. So come back to our other topic. Let's see. Yeah. Here. Go backward. Yeah, we finished this one. Now come to question number 4. 4, 5, 6, 2. Use a different first term to make a sequence. Term to term rule, add 3. Okay. Can you find the sequence of each of the following where the term or all multiple of 3? So add 3 or multiple of 3 both are similar. So what we have to say? we have to say that if we start from 30, so you have to add 33, 36, 39. It's also the multiple of 3. Okay. But the second example, he said here where the term is not a whole number. Not a whole number means it's not short form 0. Okay. So we say 1, 1 by 2, 4, 1 by 2, 7, 1 by 2. So this type of number we will say. So where the term of or no is not possible. Okay. Where the term are all odd, no, it is not possible. Where the term include both 100 and 127. Is there any term we have that both are present? Yes. 100, 103, 106, like this. You start from 100 to adding 333, so you will get your answer. So these are the answer. Now, rest of the questions are similar to it. Okay, so we already discussed all these things in the class. Let's do question number 8. Here is a special pattern. Draw the next term in the pattern. What number does it represent? Okay, here first we have 1, then 4, then 9. So what we have to do, see here 1, 4, 9. So we are adding some sequence. We have to represent the pattern. What is the next term in this pattern? So how much they add? First of all, we have to know that we are earning 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 1 plus 6. So they are adding odd numbers. Yani first they add 3, then they add 5, 1, 3, 5, like this. Okay. So this one, yeah. So according to question number 8, he said here, we are representing the next term must be, we have to add 7 on this. Okay. Like as I said to you, that odd number we are adding plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So 9 plus 7, that is equal to 16. So our next number will be 16. Okay. So that is our sequence. Or you can say it another way. It's a square number. It's look like a square number that we already discussed in the class. Like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So 4 square is 16. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square is 16. It's a square number. So this type of question we already discussed in this class. I hope you understand this one. Thank you so much.